Hello everyone, I am Priya from CSE Department of Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to take the topic of functions in C programming. So the things we are going to discuss under this topic is what is meant by function, what are the components available in function, and what is meant by function declaration, definition and function call. So these are all called as the components of function or parts of function. So first we should know what is meant by function. So it is a self-contained program segment that will do the particular task. The function will be processed only when it was called. So during the calling we have to send some values. So these values are called as parameters or arguments along with the function. We have two types of functions, predefined function and user-defined function. Predefined function is nothing but it is already available. We can specify the code inside the function. So this is an example of predefined function. So int main, here int is a data type and main is a predefined function name. Then we have to specify open and closing parenthesis followed by the curly braces. Inside the curly braces we need to specify the statement what we require under the printf statement. So here we have to give hello world and that will be printed. Then user defined function. So this function we need to create for our usage. So the syntax for creating a function is function name, then followed by open and closing parenthesis, then list of arguments. Then call a function. So to call a function, it is enough to specify the function name alone with a list of arguments. So this is the example of function call. So inside the main function, we have to give the code what we are going to execute. Then we have to call the function name by my function from the main function. This is another example. So here the same function name we can call more than one time. Then C function parameters. So parameters are nothing but arguments. So while calling we have to give some values along with the function name. So those are all called as arguments or parameters. Here we are passing the arguments as rose, lily and marigold along with the function name my function. So these are all called as parameters. Then function declaration and definition. Declaration is nothing but we are giving the prior information about the function in the declaration part. It is also called as function prototype and this will be entered with semicolon. This is an example of function declaration. So here the declared function is my function which is ended with a semicolon. So this is the function prototype or function declaration. We are giving the prior information about the my function. This is another example of passing parameters with the two values. Thank you.